I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. For the liquid base, 1 cup of your favorite milk is perfect. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance the flavor, giving your drink a delightful aroma and taste. These simple items are the foundation for a truly comforting beverage. Next, let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a small saucepan, combine the 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder with the 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk these together thoroughly until they are well combined and any lumps are gone. This crucial step ensures that when you add the milk, the cocoa and sugar dissolve smoothly, preventing a gritty texture and creating a perfectly blended hot chocolate. Now it's time to bring it all together. Gradually pour in the 1 cup of milk, whisking continuously to fully incorporate the dry mixture. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the hot chocolate is steaming and hot, but do not let it boil. Remove from heat, stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, then pour your delicious hot chocolate into a mug. It's ready to enjoy. Finally, personalize your hot chocolate. You can add a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of mini marshmallows for extra indulgence. For a unique twist, try a pinch of cinnamon or even a tiny dash of chili powder for a subtle kick. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Experiment with different toppings and flavors to find your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.